Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Nasira MK. Today we will learn how to download your LinkedIn profile data for your analysis projects. If you are keen on turning on your LinkedIn profile into valuable insights, you are in the right place. Let's get started on how to download your LinkedIn profile data for your analysis projects. First things first, head over to your LinkedIn profile. Just like I am on my LinkedIn profile page, you have to click on me option, which is on the right hand side upper corner. Then you have to click on settings and privacy is the option. You have to click on it. You will be redirecting to the page where you will find the settings related to your LinkedIn profile. Now you have to scroll down on the left hand side until you see the option data privacy. You have to click on it. Now you will have the option get a copy of your data, which is the second option. You have to click on arrow. Again, in the export your data option, there are two options available. Either you can go for the larger archive data option, or you will be able to find particular data to download and analysis. I would recommend here go for the larger data set, so which is related to your connections, verifications, contacts, account history, and information we infer about you based on your profile and activity. So this would include all the things related to your profile. I would recommend this one, but if you do not want a larger data set, then you can go for the second option, which is want something in particular. Select the data files you are most interested in. Here you will have options like articles, messages, recommendations, connections, invitations, registrations, imported contacts, and profile. It depends on your data analysis goals, whom you want to represent your data analysis project. Either it could be for your recruiters for hunting the job opportunities, or it could be for the freelancing project. So it depends on the goal of your project. You have to download according to that. I would recommend for the first option. Okay, go for the first option, and request archive is the button that you have to click on. After clicking on this button, they will give you notification. LinkedIn will provide you the notification on your email that your archive is ready to download. And within 24 hours, you can be able to download your whole data set from your profile. You will get a zip file. You have to download it. After that, you have to unzip the file. Then you will able to see that .csv files are available. You can use those files for your data analysis purpose, whether it could be in your Power BI, Tableau, or any of the business intelligence tool, or else you can use the data for your analysis purpose using Python language or R language. It depends on the tools that you want to use or the languages you want to use. I hope this video is helpful for you to download how to download your LinkedIn profile data. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and the colleagues if they require the same information. If you want to know more about data analysis, then please subscribe my channel. I will create more videos on it. Thank you.